Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. So this is kind of a quick, we'll call it a public service announcement. A woman cannot be in her full feminine expression if she feels like she does not have someone in her life who can lead her correctly. Um, Sometimes we don't associate anger with emotion, but it is emotion. Um, it's more feminine than masculine, and we should all be a balance of feminine and masculine energies. It's called duality, right? It's not that she's picky. It's not that she feels that everything has to be perfect. But if you're matching her tone and temperament, how can she trust you? If you have an attitude every time she turns around, how can you lead effectively? And so these are some of the things that she may be looking at that you're not taking into consideration. Thinking that this is how it's supposed to be, and it's not how it's supposed to be. Um, she would like someone that she can trust, right? Who's going to show up and keep his word. Um, who's going to, and of course, this does not apply to all women, so it doesn't apply to all men, right? However, those who are looking for something more than just a partner to go out to eat and pay bills with, there may be something else that she would like for him to have. Good communication, for example, right? Um, Again, and good communication without an attitude, which again is more of a feminine trait than a masculine trait. Not to say that he can't be aggravated about some things, but it's the way that some people go about it that is, it can be triggering, and it doesn't make her feel safe or comfortable as if this gentleman can lead her, right? So again, it's not about being perfect, right? It's not about being picky. It's, can he effectively lead? Is he an efficient leader? And where is he leading us to? So I just wanted to share that thought. I hope it was helpful. Love y'all. Later.